Welcome, Rhonda Shaffer here, hailing from Fairport, New York. After watching this video, like, comment, and click on the notification bell. Take a look around you. Where are you? Are you even remotely happy with your 2020 so far? How much have you accomplished already? Have you lost your way? Lost the willpower to keep moving forward? It's one thing to start something with high expectations and putting in great intentions. To really become a successful digital entrepreneur, it takes results. This is important, what I'm about to tell you, so listen up. Whatever happens, whatever is going on in your world, whoever is getting on your case, calling you crazy, and you are a dreamer building a unicorn dream business, do not stop. Repeat, do not stop. My coaches have been in this industry since 2008. They have coached and trained many people, and here's what I see and they see. The majority of people who get started come in all fired up. Then not even within short of 30 days, what happens? Life continues to get in the way. You're either stressed and overworked at your job, your relationship with your partner or spouse is making things difficult for you, your kids, the family pet, the unpaid debt, overdue bills, your illness. The results in your business just aren't coming as quick enough as you want them. Now, you've hit that, what we call a plateau in your business. Let's discuss the three most common of these problems, as this is the reality of your journey. 1. Life continues to get in the way. Life happens for you, not to you. Unless you have a legit reason, then let nothing stop you and get back on track. Start scheduling your time and get organized so you have a smooth flow of things to do that makes you happy. Take time out for you. It's okay to do that. Yes, even if you have kids or pets. Don't forget about yourself. 2, I'm not getting the results I thought I'd be getting. Classic common one I hear, and here's the thing you don't want to hear. And you have to hear it even if you don't like or agree to the answer. Some things aren't going to happen like you think it is. Results do vary per person, and it's based on their work ethic, financial and time investment. Some results will come fast all at once. Some will come gradually over a period of time. The key is to not compare your results to others' success. I love what Coach A says. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10 in your life book. That kind of thinking is the wrong mindset and will destroy your enthusiasm for achieving your goals. 3, you hit a plateau in your business. There isn't one single entrepreneur in this world that hasn't hit a plateau. We all do. The key is to develop laser-focused attention on learning one skill set at a time, master it before learning the next one. So many of our top producing team members found success after told this. Now, they're having results and earning while they are learning what these skills teach inside our inner circle. So today's the day that you can claim and plant your flag. It's your time to shine like a star. Your success is still waiting for you outside your comfort zone. Get angry. Use this energy and say, enough. It's my time to rise and become a success in my business. Ready. Let's grow together. Add me as a friend and send me a message. Live life on your own terms. Please like, share, and subscribe.